In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock apps on Android without installing any app, okay? If you are already a subscriber in this channel, you know very well that we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for, okay? Let's get started. Okay, click on the settings app. Then scroll down. Look for apps. Then click app lock. Then click turn on. Then you will want to enter your password to activate app lock. Alternatively, you can click back, then click on privacy protection. Then you can choose the sensitive action that you want to protect with your privacy, okay? Maybe you want to protect your contacts or even call logs or anything with the app protection feature, okay?